Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a beautiful bag for a bar of Burts Bees Baby Bee soap. How cute is that buttermilk soap? Oh my goodness, I love this stuff. Oh, I wish there was smell-o-vision. Oh, it's just divine. I'm a massive fan of the Burts Bees range, both the baby bee and the adult stuff. A huge fan. I've put it in lots of projects. I think my favourite is the vitamin E oil, but I've been using it for years and years and years since I was pregnant with my first son, and I used to be on a website called Makeup Alley, and you could actually swap products with other people, and often one of the big things was you would swap your product, your lipstick, or whatever, or with somebody else's eyeshadow, and you would put extras in and it would be samples. And I was pregnant with Jack at the time, and a friend of mine over in the States sent me loads of baby bee stuff. I fell in love with it then. So yeah, 15 years. Anyway, I made a bag for one. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and I love it. And I've got a little bit of stamping here. I haven't got die cutting on this one, but I am going to on the one we're going to make. So you need a piece of paper that measures 12 by 7.5 inches, 30 by 19 centimetres. Okay, so on the long side, we're going to score it at on the short side. On the long side, let me get this right. On the long, it's that kind of a day. On the long side, score it at 5 inches and 7 inches, which in metric is 12.5 and 17.5. And on the short side, score it at 2 inches and 5.5 inches. The reason I was querying myself, if you look at my notes, and that's, sorry, in metric 5 and 14, on my notes, 12 by 7.5 and then 5 and 7, and normally my final measurement is close there, and I'm thinking, is that right? Is that right? Yes. Oh dear. Oh, I forgot to say, because this is the beautiful paper that's sort of kind of designed for babies. It's gold on one side and pink on the other, but you also get exactly the same gold and the same pattern but in blue. So this one has got the pink inside. You can just see it even kind of ran out of the blue, and it's retiring. Everything's leaving us, isn't it? It's not. We've got the most amazing stuff coming up. Oh, watch out for Friday's video. Might be a little bit of a sneaky peeky. Okay, so I've simply scored and burnished my score lines. When you hold it this way round, you've got a little square here. So cut very straight on the rectangle and chop into the square. Like that. So we're going to chop into the square and then do exactly the same round here. And interestingly, when the bag is closed, you can't see the fact that it's pink. But obviously when the bag is open, you can. Okay, so it's gonna fold up and round like that and then pinch. So I'm going to put some glue on here and then glue on this part, and you really do need to make sure you can get into all of the, right up to the edge. Otherwise it tends to start to gape. You can put a little bit of, a mini glue dot in there, which I probably will do. So that's the inside and the back, and I'm going to fold this round and get everything to line up neatly. And the same over here. Oh! Put the glue on. That's me saying, make sure you put the glue on. Actually putting it on would be useful. Oh dear. Oh, I've been filming all morning. It's now 12:30 my time. Put the glue on, then fold it around. I thought it had lined itself up a bit too easily. I am your Friday funny today. Let's see if I can carry on filming without giggling anymore. Right. Okay. So I've just pushed in to make sure it fits in. Now, I'm going to have to nick the soap out of here. I do have only the one. And as soon as I've taken the photos, I'll have none because it's going in my bathroom. So it fits nicely in there. You can see there is a bit of a gap. That's deliberate, so that when you go like this, it now doesn't move. That's actually the soap inside the box that's moving, but the box isn't moving. And it also means that if you want to put something other than that, you can, because the finished dimensions 2 by 3.5 inches, which is 5 by, can't remember, by 9 centimetres, and at the tallest it's 5 centimetres, so 5 inches, 12.5 centimetres. So if you don't want to put a Burt's Bees Baby Bee soap in, you can put something else. But I love it. Oh, I forgot to get a clip out. So if you're curious, empty small Yankee Candle jar. I have lots of those up on my shelf. They're waiting to be filled with new stuffs and new embellishments. But we're keeping these, yay! Okay, so my panel on the front, I forgot to write down the measurements. That, my husband's going to answer that. Very loud doorbell. 8 centimetres by 5. So 3 and 3 1/8 by 1 3/4. We'll do the metric 8 by 5 in very vanilla. Okay, so I'm going to grab a couple of bits, actually lots of bits. I'm just trimming it because I helpfully forgot to. Okay. Let me just pop that over, and then I've got the little wild stamp set, and oh no, I'm back. Sorry about that. The postman started knocking on the door. Husband wasn't around, in the garage. Useful. Right, a little wild stamp set and the matching Little Loves frameless. Absolutely gorgeous. And what you can actually make are tags. So you can make your elephant tags that open left to right like that, or the bear and the lion open up like that. So put the elephant on that one. I'm going to do the bear this time. So I'm going to have a bear. I want to pull out the bees. And what wording do I want? A great big welcome for a sweet little someone. Trust me, if you are buying for somebody who is becoming a mummy, perhaps for the first time, or maybe not even for the first time, but she's becoming a mummy, get her some baby bee as well as the baby. Or get her Burt's Bees and get the baby bee. Love the stuff. You can never have too much. Right, I'm prepping up my blocks. So I want to just cut off my corner. So we've got a new punch coming. This is a triple punch. So I'm going to do 2 corners, 2 opposite corners, because I just think it looks nice. And then I'm going to line up my stamp. And then I'm going to grab my black memento. He's now singing downstairs. He's now returned inside the house and is now singing, "I'm really sorry." It's that kind of a day today, isn't it? There we go. And I'm going to have a couple of little bees. So I'm going to colour those in a minute. Check which way up they're going. I kind of need them to be flying in the right direction, don't I? And then I actually only need the bottom half, but you could do both halves. Shall I do both to show you, but then I'm going to cut it off anyway. grab the matching framelits, which are these ones. And this is definitely where you need a magnetic platform. So I've got my cutting mat, no, my magnetic platform, cutting mat, my stamped images, pop that round, cutting plate over the top. I'm going to run it through the big shot, so I'm just going to be off camera for a second, just while I run that through. And what happens is you throw your die on the floor and you end up with this, and when you fold it in half you get this darling little tag, and you can put your to and from on the inside. Now I actually just want, I don't want that, I don't want to make a tag rather, I just want the bear. So I'm just going to whiz round his ear with my snips. He's singing away, I can't believe it. He knows I'm filming. And then I'm just going to do a tiny little bit of colouring. So blender pen, and I want some nice yellow. Oh, should I choose a new yellow? Oh, I don't know what this one's going to be like. Pineapple Punch. And give my bees some yellow. Oh, isn't that pretty? That is lovely. Over very vanilla. Not all colours work over vanilla. I have to say Blushing Bride is one that does not look... not that it doesn't look good, to be fair, actually. It does look good over very vanilla. It just doesn't look like Blushing Bride over very vanilla. Okay. Put that back, and then I'm going to elevate this onto my tag and get it all stuck before I come in with the Wink of Stella. So cute. And then my bit of ribbon, roughly there. Fast Fuse, always a winner for this. Do you know what? He's probably going to come barrelling up the stairs yelling, "Do you want a coffee?" And I don't know how to edit out talking. Okay. Warning you in advance. Oh. So there we go, those on there. And then bring this onto here. And now I can put Wink of Stella on. Now I could colour it in a brown because he's obviously a honey bear, but I quite like the Wink of Stella thing. No idea if you're seeing that. I can't tell. Probably not. But it's just lovely. And then you can do the wings of your bees. Little honey bees, too cute. Although I might have positioned him badly because he's actually sitting on one. Oops. Can you see the sparkle now? Sort of. Anyway, love it. Burt's Bees Baby Bee Soap. If you haven't tried it, go to Boots. They sell it. Anyway, oh look online. Loads of stuff in the range. Oh, seriously, there's so much stuff. Gardener's hand cream, awesome. Lemon butter cuticle cream, divine. Lip balm. Oh, you know what? Oh! Sorrel. Beeswax lip balm. Sorrel, come here. She's going to come and say hello. One small kitten. This is my Savannah sorrel. There you go, she's going to look at the camera. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me, and sorrel. Yes, you're very pretty. And I'll see you very soon. Bye.